What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how we made almost $100,000 in sales for a digital information product, okay? So I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I just want to explain kind of the business model behind it, how it all works, and how you can get started creating your own information product today, right? I really think it's one of the most powerful business models ever because it allows you to separate your time from your income. And after all is said and done, you can create a sustainable source of passive income for yourself, all right? So let's go ahead and get into it. Also, if you watched yesterday's video, you're gonna know that there was a giveaway. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna announce the winner of the giveaway, all right? So go ahead, stick around for that, and I will show you exactly who won and how to claim your prize. And if you're new, be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell notification to get updated every time I go live, every time I upload a new video, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the reason that information products are so powerful is because they allow you to separate your time from your income. So I'm going to give you guys an example. Actually, here's a screenshot. So this was a product. Anyways, I created this product with another person. So this was not all like, this number, the 99,000, was not all profit from me specifically. So we created this product together. Or actually, I created like most of the product, and then this other person promoted it out to his audience because he had a big, audience of people who were interested in this product. And so because of that, we split up the commissions. But this is the kind of the total revenue for about 11 months of just a $57 product. And so the reason why this is so cool, I'll put this away down here. The reason why this is so cool though is because I think a lot of people have this belief that, oh, you have to be selling like a really expensive course and it's really, really hard to sell an expensive course. When it comes to like a $57 course, $67, even $100 or anything below that, it really comes down to, is your messaging on point with what your audience wants? And do you kind of just like at least look legit, right, on the page that you're selling this product for, right? If it looks too scammy, people are probably not gonna buy it. But otherwise, it doesn't take a ton of, it doesn't take a huge, you don't have to be famous, to sell a $37, $47, $57 product. You don't have to have a huge following, and you don't have to, it doesn't take all this crazy like marketing and sales experience. Essentially, this is kind of just, I wanted to break anyone's limiting beliefs about how much money you can earn with even a tiny little product, right? So it is very possible to earn a substantial, this is about 6 figures a year, like almost. The product's been selling for 11 months, but it will definitely break $100,000, 6 figures over 1 year with just one $57 product. And what this comes down to, so I crunched the numbers a little bit, and this actually comes down to $300 per day, $302.59 per day in passive income with just one $57 information product. I never really got into Amazon FBA or anything. I might, maybe someday I'll do it. But for me, digital information products just felt like so much easier. I don't know why. It's just like you can create it with the knowledge that's in your head. It could literally be like a PDF or an ebook or something like that, or just a screen recording kind of like this. And it doesn't take any, there's no physical inventory. There's unlimited amounts of sales that you can make of just one product. So that's why it's kind of my favorite thing. And let me know if you guys have ever thought about creating an info product down below. I'd be interested to hear what your guys' thoughts are. So let's go a little bit more into this. What is an info product? Okay, so I'll give you guys a couple examples here on the screen. So an info product, there's a couple different things that it could be. It could be a course. So a lot of you guys know I have a course. Actually, I have a couple. Here's one of them that you guys have probably seen by now. So that's one example of what an info product is, right? It's just information that is designed to help people get a specific result, okay? And it can be a series of videos, a series of trainings. A course is typically a little bit more step-by-step process involved. So what you can do is on Udemy, you can see right here, this is like an online course platform. And this basically is just a place for people to sell their online courses, right? So you don't really have to have a big background or a big following. You can see like here's some courses for $10. And like, for example, this person, Angela Yu, she created a course. Well, it's normally $199, but today it's 10:44. But look, she has 24,833 people who left reviews, not even just students. So let's say 24,833, or that's not going to work. 24,833 times 199.99. So that's $4.9 million of just one course. And that's only the people who left reviews, right? So there's probably some people who also bought her course who didn't leave any reviews, right? So that's absolutely crazy. Like, can you see how powerful this is? And all she had to do was create this course once, right? So, granted, I'm sure it has to be a very good course to have received all this positive feedback. But at the end of the day, it's like, why would you want to create a bad course, right? And let's take like see, these are all in like computer programming too. But you can do, you can do like different, so let's check out music. Like it really doesn't matter where your knowledge or where your skills or expertise lie. It's just figuring out a way to monetize. Okay, so it's figuring out a way to monetize it. So let's see here. This person, guitar music theory. Okay, so complete guitar system, beginner to advanced. Okay, so this guy, Eric Andreas, he has created a course that is, let me crunch the numbers here. So 16,411 people who left reviews. So again, that's not all the people who's bought the course, just the people who left reviews. So he's made $3.2 million in sales of a course on guitars, right? Just a course on guitars, on something that he's already interested in, something he's already passionate about, and something that he already knows how to do, right? So that's absolutely insane. And that's why I think online courses and online learning are really just like the way of the future. So the next thing, another example of an info product is like an ebook, okay? So I went here on Amazon Kindle, and what you can do, so let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you here, like all these people are selling their ebooks. So this girl, Suzanne Ryan, she's selling her ebook for $9.99, right? So this is just a digital product, and this takes even less work than a course, usually, right? You just have to create a nice, attractive cover, and you just upload like the actual ebook files. So let's see right here. She's got 1636 reviews times $9.99. And those are only people who left reviews, right? Not all those, there's more people who bought it. So she's made at least $16,343 from her $9.99 digital ebook. So isn't that incredible, you guys? Like, I just think it's so exciting. It's so freeing to be able to put your knowledge and your skills and your expertise into a digital product that can help people all around the clock, all across the world. So that's another example. Even audio, right? Okay, so let me show you an example. There's this hypnotherapist who I follow. I love her. Her name is Marissa Peer. She has just like hypnosis audio files, okay? So here's a perfect example of that. So she literally just sells like her hypnosis audios. All you have to do, it's just an audio file, so you can create an audio recording on your computer pretty easily, or even on your phone. So she creates like hypnosis audio tracks, and that's literally it. Look, she sells them for $49. So all these things, they're literally just, I have some of her products, and they're really, really good, but it's literally just her talking, right? Another thing is video training. So that kind of goes back to like, typically a course would be video training. So this $57 product, it was, it was about maybe 5 or 6 videos, I want to say. And then it also came with a template. So it came with like a chatbot template. So this $57 product, it took me about 1.5 hours to create. Like I said, it's about 5 or 6 videos. And then we like kind of chop them up. And then, yeah, maybe 2 hours maximum. But it was just a couple video trainings and then a chatbot template. And that was all. Okay, so it can literally be anything. The first info product that I ever created, this was back when I was a copywriter, was I created copywriting templates, okay? So it literally was like a 10-day email sequence. So literally it was just a PDF file of like email templates with like some blank spaces to help people like with their email copywriting. And I charged $47 and people bought it. Like, I mean, I probably made about maybe between $1,000 and $2,000 with that product. And it was a $47 product. That was a really great start. And that helped me, get my confidence up and eventually sell like much more expensive digital products. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to kind of walk you through this and show you that it really is possible to create all sorts of information products, whether it's an ebook, whether it's an audio file, whether it's an online course, something like that. And these are really the best way to A, help people all the time, all across the world, and B, get paid all the time, even when you're not doing anything, right? Even when you're asleep. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys are inspired to create an information product. It's really, once you know how to do it, it's really very simple. So I asked this on my video yesterday. A lot of you guys messaged me after, or even commented down in the comments saying like, yes, Nico, like I do want to learn this. So I asked in the previous video, like, hey guys, I'm thinking of creating a course on how to create your first information product. And a ton of people said yes. Like you guys messaged me back and like, through Facebook Messenger. I got like so many replies saying like, yes, please teach us. So I think I'm gonna do that. So go ahead, let me know down below. A, if you wanna learn how to create your own info product and if you want a course teaching you how to do this. And number two, like what things would you wanna learn inside this course, okay? So let me know. I really do think it is the way of the future, and it's not just the way of the future, it is right now. I really love information products and I wanna help you guys get started with your first successful one. Okay, so go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you want to see inside this training course, and then I'll let you guys know probably in the next day or in the next couple days a little bit more info about what's going to be in it, when it's going to launch, and everything like that. All right, so go ahead, get excited. Let me know down below. All right, guys, and finally, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway. Okay, so there were two requirements: is A, you had to comment on the last video, just leave any sort of comment. And two is follow me on Instagram, okay? So the winner of the free copy of a copywriting course, Copywriting Secrets for Entrepreneurs, is Matthew Gibbons, okay? So congratulations, Matt, really appreciate you. And go ahead, please, when you see this, direct message me on Instagram, okay? So go over to my Instagram, send me a DM, and I will reply there. I'll get you the link and I'll get you the free access to the Copywriting Secrets training course. All right, thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to let me know down below your thoughts on the info product course. And as always, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification to get notified anytime I go live or next time that I upload a video. All right, thanks so much, guys. It's been Nico Moreno, and I will see you guys next time.